Hey, let me show you how you can take the macro photos on this Redmi Note 15. So as you know, on this smartphone, you cannot find macro mode and the macro lens. And what I can recommend you, first of all, just to simply turn on the flashlight and remember to get good lighting condition. This is the essential to take the good macro photo. And now you have to hold your phone with the two hands to get good stabilization. And right now, try to zoom in up to like 2 or 3 times and try to hold your phone as steady as possible. Now you have to put it a little bit close to the object that you want to capture, but not too close because you will lose focus, like in my case. So let's try to hold it, I believe, like this. And now just click on the shutter while holding your phone steady. Wait until the flashlight turns on, and now take a look. This is the result where you can actually find a lot of details. As you can see, we can find here a lot of pieces of the dust, the structure of this plastic part, and that's a good looking macro photo. You can for sure try to zoom in a little bit closer like this, but you have to remember that with each zoom you are losing focus. Try to put it close, hold it, take the photo, hold steady. When the photo was taken, you can just grab it. And here is the another result. Also looks pretty good and a lot of details. Let me know what you think about this one. Thanks for watching this video.